Use abrasive and pH-altering barriers like calcium carbonate and limestone dust to deter slugs and snails from edible beds. Start by preparing a dry, well-defined barrier around plants, using a 3-inch to 4-inch band of sharp sand mixed with a light dusting of calcium carbonate or limestone dust applied on top of a clean, dry surface. Apply the material when soil and foliage are dry, because moisture will reduce abrasiveness and make diatomaceous earth ineffective until it dries again. For pots and raised beds, use copper tape around the rim and press it down so it contacts the pot surface, and replace or check it weekly for corrosion or debris that reduces effectiveness. Use beer traps placed at ground level, no more than one every 10 to 15 square feet where slugs are active. Fill shallow containers with stale beer 3/4 full and empty daily, and relocate traps if non-target animals are visiting. For diatomaceous earth, use food grade only and reapply after rain or irrigation, and avoid overusing in very wet climates because it becomes inert when wet and can harm beneficial insects if applied excessively. Combine hand picking at night with barriers and traps for the best result, and avoid metaldehyde baits near pets and children because those are toxic and can cause severe harm. 3 common issues are loss of effectiveness when materials get wet, tracking of powders into the growing zone, and impact on non-target insects. When barriers become wet, re-rake and let them dry or reapply fresh sand and dust after a dry period to restore abrasiveness. If powder is tracked into the bed, move it back immediately and sweep paths and footwear before entering edible beds to avoid contaminating crops. To reduce harm to beneficial insects, apply powders only to the perimeter and avoid covering flowers and organic mulch where pollinators and predators forage. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like slug and snail control, letting us share local practices, product sources, and real experience. We host a discussion community so we can trade tips, ask questions, and find local contractors who are seeking work on garden and pest control projects.